Hi guys, and welcome to Cultnomics. My name is Paul Hanley, and today I'm going to be chatting to you about the concept of elasticity. Okay guys, so today we're going to look at the determinants of elasticity, that is, what makes a product price elastic, inelastic or unit elastic. Number one there would be the number of substitutes that the product or service has. What we mean by this is, for example, if you have a shop owner, fashion retail outlet owner who sets up, what will tend to happen is if they're the only fashion retail outlet centre in a region, well then the price elasticity of demand tends to be quite inelastic. However, if new competitors move into that market side by side, you'll find that the price elasticity of demand for your products will start to rise. They become more elastic. Number two then is the proportion of income that a person spends on a product or service. So what you tend to find in this instance is if you only spend a small amount of your income on a product, let's say milk or salt or sugar, you tend to be very inelastic, not sensitive to price. However, when the price increases, it takes up more of your income and your price elasticity of demand rises. Number three then is your time horizon. So in the short term, for example, if there was a oil price hike and a hike in the price of petrol and you drove a gas guzzling machine, what you would tend to find is you would try to move away from that over time and maybe try and purchase an electric car. And in that case, the price elasticity of demand for the gas guzzler would increase over time. It would become more elastic over time. Number four is the type of good or service that you're buying. So if you have a necessity good in this case, which would be the electricity that is powering that electric light bulb, and you have a price hike in both the electricity and in the bun or any other kind of luxury product like that, what you'll tend to find is the elasticity for the luxury product tends to be quite high. So the elasticity for that bun in that case will be quite high. For the necessity good electricity, it will tend to be quite low, inelastic demand. And number five then, we're looking at the definition of a market. So for example, if you have a person that breaks their mobile phone and you define the market as a mobile phone, what you will tend to see is for a broad definition of mobile phones as a market, the price elasticity demand will be quite inelastic. However, if you narrow the definition of the market, if you define it as the different products and producers of mobile phones, what you will tend to see is if you're looking at a Samsung mobile phone, well then there are a lot of substitutes such as Apple, and the more narrow that you define the market, the more price elastic the product tends to be. I hope you call back to Cultnomics soon. Bye for now.